We're taking raw aluminum castings and we're turning those into finished products. Work through maybe 1, 2, 3 ops on some of these machines. As you can see on this one, we're starting from the raw square and we're working across and we're getting a finished door handle off when we're done.
Now for those who don't know, explain what an op is.
Operation is anytime that you're making a run with the machine on that part, you're cutting that material off, and then if you have to reposition that part to cut material off a different angle, you move to a second operation, third operation.
It's very cool to see everybody at their station. There's no horsing around. Everyone's working real hard. Here we are close to the end of the day. Yep. Everything is still very spotless and clean, and the most fascinating part to me is seeing the products you guys spit out from the raw material through the process you take. Very cool.
And we take care of all of our finishing in-house, whether it's a grain or a tumble finish, and give that bright look to those parts. That's all happening in-house. They're cleaning up those parts, they're making sure they're nice and spotless coming off the machines, and we produce a good finished part out the door.
Made in the USA, peace of mind, Lokar Performance. Check them out.